House to Home, presented by Remax Diamond Realty.
We are talking about various types of rates here on House to Home today. Liz Duenas is over there. Gina Campos is over there. I am over here. I'm Jason Salas, and we are talking fixed rates, adjustable rates, interest rates. Oh boy, there's a lot to unpack about this. And ladies, you know better than I ever would and everything. How many people are actually not even experts, but you know, they have competency in exactly, you know, what a fixed rate loan is versus an adjustable rate, and how that measures up to the current interest rate when they're looking to get a house?
Well, the issues that we're having now, Jason, is when I got my loan, it was like 2.5, but it was an adjustable rate fixed for a 5-year window. So the normal process for buying loan, people want to buy with a lower interest rate, because remember, we talked about the interest rate rising. So you're up to 6.8, 6.9, up to at least 7%. And
up from 4, right?
Yeah, from 2, 3, 4. And we're anticipating an increase in the interest rates.
Really?
So what that did was, of course, we talked about that again, it increased their monthly payment, and it aced people out of buying a home if they had a particular budget of, let's say, 450, and then because the interest rate went up, their monthly payment increased much more, and so transactions were either canceled or people just stopped for the moment. But as Gina and I were talking, they have to be smart about it and strategize, because people still have to buy homes. So how do you do that? And buying down the interest rate to make it more doable could be one way, but they have to have the financial means to make that happen. And the other thing would be your adjustable rate. If you were to purchase a low adjustable rate, how do you do that? Do you want to do that, let's say a fixed rate for a 5-year window, and during that time, after, hopefully, cross your fingers, after the 5-year window, you can refinance and, of course, bring down your interest rate at that point. But Gina's been in this a longer period of time, that she's seen more of I've been in it 27 years and Gina's been much longer. So she's seen the rise and fall of interest rates, right, Gina?
Well, that's the truth of everything. What goes up must come down. What is down must go up. It is with everything in our lives. And right now, the interest rates are going up. But
to everything, turn. I believe I've heard that somewhere before.
Yeah. It's, the season for everything. But
I was hoping you'd do that.
I actually want to thank Calvin Hernandez from Bank of Hawaii. He actually reached out to us last week, and he came in and we set up a training. He set up a training session for our Remax Micronesia, which includes our office and the 3 other offices here on island that are part of the Remax franchise. But he set up a training for us, and he specifically wanted to promote the idea that, you know what, our customers, if you're in the market to buy real estate, you're going to figure out a way, or you must figure out a way to buy and move forward and get into your home. But that still remains the American dream, the Guamanian dream, to own your home. And so what we're trying to figure out, what he wanted to teach us, was don't lose hope. There are mechanisms out there. There are strategies that you guys need to be aware of. So number 1, work with a real estate agent who can help you strategize. And number 2, find a good lender. And I'm sure Calvin's out there, and he's absolutely fantastic at what he does. And I'm sure there are others, whatever lending institution you're using.
And Cal, just so everybody knows, he's the vice president of residential lending for Bank of Hawaii. And he's been there a very, very long time, and he really, really knows his stuff. I've known Cal for a long time.
Yeah, I think it's, as you do these deals, and this holds true for realtors as well, as we do the deals, we learn more from every transaction and every consumer. And so Calvin's years of experience has given him the background to be able to teach us how to strategize. And one of the things that Liz just brought up that he was explaining is, because the fixed interest rates are going up, before what I noticed was the fixed interest rates were very low, but the adjustable interest rates were high. But it is the opposite now. The fixed interest rates, which we who doesn't want a fixed rate, but if right now the opportunity is not there, or you may not want to lock in a fixed interest rate. My husband and I just locked in a 10-year adjustable. And yeah, absolutely, Liz, what you were saying is very true. The adjustable rate mortgage was lower. So for us, it was like, okay, where are we going to be at in 10 years? I want to take advantage of this lower interest rate because I'm not interested in paying 7%. And in fact, I think the interest rates have gone up to 7.2%. And so if I can save a little bit, I'm willing to do the adjustable rate. And in 10 years, who knows? And this is what Calvin was trying to explain to us. You can do that. You can get, there's a 1 year, a 3 year, a 5 year, a 7 year, and a 10. And for us, we know we're long-term people. We chose the 10. And you can, and then the option is, well, what do you do at the end of 10? Well, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to refinance it. These loans are set up to actually automatically renew themselves, but you go to a different interest rate. And that's what we're talking about. It's adjustable after the 10th year. Or if you got
sorry, Gina, correct me if I'm wrong though, but and I really, really love and appreciate how the fact that you said there is a strategy to this, and given the inflationary period and the recessionary situation that we're all going through as a national economy, you have to be tactical about this, because people getting too starry-eyed and on too much of a sugar high when you have very, very low fixed interest rates. This is what led to the financial collapse 14 years ago in 2008, because people were like, oh, I can get a super low fixed interest rate. I'm going to buy like 5 houses, and people like lived completely beyond their means. And then the economy went to crap and everybody was like, uh-oh. And then a lot of people got in some real, real bad situations because of that. So you have to know what you're doing.
You absolutely. And you know what? There are a lot of subjects in our economy that I wouldn't know what I was doing. I would need an expert to help me. And we're promoting the idea that you talk to your realtor, or you talk to us, and you talk to your lender. And if you talk to your realtor and you talk to your lender and you're not feeling warm and fuzzy, you're not feeling more like your strategy is working with the information they're giving you, for goodness sakes, find somebody else to talk to. Be comfortable, feel confident about the information you're getting.
There you go.
And the other thing is, don't be discouraged. I've gotten denied with lenders on many occasions. And my attitude is, if you say no, somebody else is going to say yes. So this just means I have to give my business to someone else. That's fine. I'm willing to move on and find another lender. So, don't be discouraged. Find a good lender, find a good realtor, and you're going to get into your dream home.
Okay, Liz, final word.
Well, each bank has their own packages, their own interest rates. So it would help to shop. And one bank may be more open with different packages, buy down, different interest rates. Across the board, people look at the banks as all the same. No, they're not all created equal. They all have their different programs. So yes, as Gina puts it, call us and we'll patch you with the bank. We don't select the banks, by the way. We can present a number of banks for you to call, and then we can guide you. But then again, the bottom line, the decision is yours in terms of which bank to go to, and then we can help you through the buying process. But you're right. There's different ways to tackle buying a home, and a good realtor can assist you in the process.
There you go. So again, the strategy being the word we really want to everybody, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, watching this right now. Strategy is the biggest thing you need to take with you, because this isn't a rigged game. It's not a shakedown. These aren't companies just looking to make a buck off you and everything like that. If you really do go for the best possible option and really figure out all the different avenues that you could pursue, you are going to get the best deal even in these very, very crazy times. So Liz and Gina, the only strategy we have right now is let's go get some ice cream.
Hey, happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Turkey.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
All right, enjoy turkey, enjoy football, and Liz and Gina, thank you for your friendship, and we give thanks for the both of you and your families and the knowledge that you have blessed us with. So thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
Jason, let me give me a moment just to say to everyone who went into
Yes.
Picas Best and voted. I just want to thank everyone because I know how busy everybody is. And, I want to thank you for voting for Remax Diamond Realty for Picas Best and for me for Picas Best.
Mhm.
I can't thank you enough. I'll continue to work hard and I really appreciate the effort. Thank you.
Yee. Are you my eyesight's not so good these days, but are you blushing?
Yep, I am.
Oh, very, very
That's a grateful blush. Put it
yes.
that way.
Give thanks with
Yeah.
a grateful heart. I'm sure I read that in some very, very wonderful book once or twice. So
Yes.
thank you, ladies, and happy Thanksgiving.
You.
Happy
Happy
Thanksgiving.
All
Thanksgiving.
right. Bye-bye, everybody.